So what's up everybody, and in this video we're gonna make the real magic text destruction effect by online tutorials. So this is YouTube blogger, more than 100,000 subscribers. I'm gonna retry every single thing step by step, and we'll see how easy it's gonna be to just rewrite within code. This code is so pretty big and I like it. Oh, I need my first bag. Awesome. Actually, I write all of these animations or media in the end of the project. I mean, it's maybe theme of the video that it's animating text. He made everything by the way, but second part. Well, you made a watermark on your video stock footage. I mean, from one side it's pretty cool that is brand, that is YouTube channel, and you even write that is YouTube channel online tutorials. I mean, but simple guys like me which are doing every single thing by the way step by step from your tutorials, and they write another thing, like in my case Sanjar Productions, it just looks strange. It just doesn't look such cool as in your case. And maybe you will make something for your real fans, maybe, I don't know, because watermark is not so cool. You are humans which really want to use your footage, will make something in Premiere Pro and delete this watermark. I'm pretty sure, because I can make the same thing in Photoshop, but I don't know how to make it in Premiere Pro, where your fans will not do all of this stuff. They will just use this stuff and footage which they have. I mean, you can even just make without a watermark and everything gonna be looks nice. So at the end of this video, I wanted to say that thanks for everyone who watched this video till the end, and I really appreciate this, and I really appreciate that you watched this video till the end. Listen this some kind of ugly voice, watch this face. I mean, you believe in me, and I believe in you too, that you really love this video. And if you love this video, you can like this video too, and write in the comments that you love this video. Subscribe or not, it's your solution. So guys, I will just recommend you watch my another video about the bootstrap or review or of two YouTubers which make tutorials. I make the same two videos in one topic. It's crazy. Link all of them can be in the description, or watch from both sides. Bye bye guys.